The Supreme Court has finally gone too far. When are the American people going to stand up and demand justice once and for all? In the following case, 10-678, title Gregory S. Hollister, Petitioner v. Gary Soetoro. These are the following proceedings and orders in the case as of today's date. December 29, 2010, distributed for conference of January 14, 2011. December 30, 2010, request for recusal received from petitioner. January 18, 2011, petition denied. February 7, 2011, petition for a hearing filed. February 16, 2011, distributed for conference of March 4, 2011. On January 28th, the petition was denied, but the recusal of Kagan and Soetoro from December 30th was never replied to, so the case was petitioned for a rehearing. On February 18th, the case was redistributed for a hearing on March 4th. The case was denied once again on March 4th, and it was done so without Kagan and Soetoro being recused. You can tell by these other cases, which show that Kagan did recuse herself, which isn't shown on the Hollister v. Soetoro denial, proving that neither of Emma's appointments were recused. This is a total conflict of interest. How can they get away with this? Now how does this make any sense? You have a case that is trying to find out if the President of the United States is a natural-born citizen and therefore eligible to hold office. Yet you don't recuse two justices that were appointed by him, who if in the end of them is found ineligible to serve, their appointments would be void. And it's just getting beyond absurd how the media covers this up. I do not believe that the American people are going to put up with this much longer. We all know that Obama is not a natural-born citizen, and we will not stop until he is removed from office and proven illegitimate. Please join us in contacting the Supreme Court and Congress to let them know how you feel about this injustice. You can email the Supreme Court at They can be reached by phone at 202-479-3000. Clerk's office, 202-479-3011.
The public understands the importance of what you do and what the bearing it has on the future of our country. And so we always thank you for your service and tell the other 7 that we do the same thing all the time.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman, and it is always an honor being here. Yes. You and I have been at this together for a decade and a half. And
I'm glad to hear that you don't think there has to be a judge on the court appeal, because I'm not a judge. I haven't been a judge.
And you don't have to be born in the United States, so you never have to answer that question.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you haven't answered the one about whether I can serve as president, but you answer this one.
We're evading that one. We're giving you another option.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Ms. Emerson.
So carrying on this together.
Yes, officer? Okay, people, move along. There's nothing to see here.